Hi guys, welcome back to another recipe video. After popular request, I decided to try using buckwheat in my 2-ingredient quinoa bread recipe. Quinoa bread has become one of my favorite staple foods on a gluten-free vegan diet, and many of you have suggested I try using buckwheat, so I decided to give it a try on the weekend, and it turned out absolutely amazing. The exact measurements for this recipe are linked below. So let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Rinse a cup of buckwheat groats, they can be either raw or toasted, and add them to a blender or food processor with a cup of water. As with the quinoa bread, you can soak this overnight if you want to increase nutrient availability, but you can also just skip soaking and just blend it up right away. If you want to add some extra flavor, you can use whatever herbs and spices you want, some salts and sweetener, but totally optional. Blend this up until it reaches a pancake batter-like consistency. Line a baking sheet with some parchment paper and pour the batter onto it, ensuring it's evenly spread. Pop that in the oven for 15 minutes. Remove and flip it over, and bake for another 10 minutes. And that's it, guys. I had a strong feeling while this was baking that it was going to turn out really good, and dare I say it, I might just enjoy this version better than the quinoa, although both are absolutely delicious and really awesome for anyone following a gluten-free diet. I decided to slather on some homemade vegan cream cheese, and I linked the recipe for that down below as well. And then I popped on some little cucumber slices to make a creamy cucumber bread snack, and it was really good. I hope you enjoy this recipe, guys. If you decide to make it, feel welcome to tag me on Instagram at SavvyVegan. If you'd like more healthy vegan recipes, you can jump on over to our website and check out our weight loss meal plans. They're 50% off right now. Our free starter guide, recipes, and articles. Thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you soon. Bye!